In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Strat indicators in Tradingview. If you're new to trading or simply looking to enhance your chart analysis, understanding how to use and customize indicators can make a big difference. The Strat indicator, developed by LuxAlgo, is a powerful tool designed to help you identify price patterns, reversals, and opportunities across multiple time frames. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to add it to your chart, but also how to tailor it for your unique trading style. Let's get started. First things first, open your Tradingview chart. You'll need to be on the Tradingview platform to follow along, so make sure you have an account set up and ready to go. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Once your chart is open, take a look at the top of your screen and click on the Indicators button. This will bring up a search window where you can find various indicators to add to your chart. Next, in the search bar of the Indicators window, type in the Strat. You should see a list of results appear. From there, look for the Strat by LuxAlgo and select it. Once you've found it, simply click on it to add it to your chart. Now, what this does is overlay the Strat indicator directly onto your chart, allowing you to analyze price action with the unique features and insights this tool provides. Now that the indicator is on your chart, let's move on to customizing it to fit your preferences. This is where you can really make the Strat indicator work for you. Start by clicking on the gear icon, which is the settings button for the Strat indicator. This will open up a panel where you can adjust various options. First, let's talk about colors. You can change the colors of the indicator to match your personal preferences or your existing chart theme. This can help the information stand out more clearly and ensure everything aligns with your charting style. Whether you prefer bold, bright colors or a more muted palette, take a moment to set this up in a way that feels intuitive to you. Next, you'll see an option to show numbers on the chart. Enabling this will display numbers that correspond to different candle types. These numbers are great for identifying patterns like inside bars, reversals, and other setups. If you're someone who relies on pattern recognition in your trading, this feature can be a real game changer. You'll also notice an option to color the candles. By toggling this on, the indicator will highlight important price patterns directly on the candles themselves. This makes it much easier to spot setups at a glance without having to analyze each candle in detail. If you're more of a visual trader, this option is definitely worth exploring. Now, let's talk about some of the more advanced features like the pivot machine gun and pivot combos. These are tools designed to help you identify aggressive price moves and potential reversal points. If you're new to the Strat indicator, I recommend toggling these features on and off as you experiment. This will give you a better understanding of the signals they provide and how they align with your trading strategy. Don't worry if it feels a bit overwhelming at first. These tools are there to enhance your analysis, not complicate it. Another feature you might find useful is the dashboard option. If you enable this, the indicator will display a summary of Strat patterns across multiple time frames. This feature is especially helpful if you're scanning for opportunities quickly and want a high-level overview of what's happening across different time frames. If you frequently switch between time frames during your analysis, this is a feature you'll want to take advantage of. And with that, you now have a fully customized Strat indicator on your Tradingview chart. Whether you're analyzing candle patterns, identifying reversals, or scanning multiple time frames, this tool is now set up to help you trade more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.